Hey guys, welcome back. This video is going to be about my 2016 Ram 1500 Crew that you can see behind me. I took it up to Ziebart back before it really started getting cold out and had them undercoat it and put a Rhino Liner, spray-in bed liner in it, rust-proof the truck. That way, this is the first winter where it's actually possibly going to see some road salt. Actually, it already has, as you can see all over the truck. I also had them do the diamond gloss paint protectant on it. So anyway, that's the video that you're going to see that will follow this here shortly, and I hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, I'm back. Here in just a minute, I'm going to be pulling into Ziebart of St. Charles, Missouri to pick up my 16 Ram that I had up here to have a Rhino Liner sprayed in the bed, have it rust-proofed, undercoated, and have their diamond gloss paint protection put on. So, talked to the gentleman about 4 o'clock or so, and he said it was ready. I told him I wasn't going to be able to make it up here until probably around 6, and it is currently 6:11, so I'm doing pretty good. Got stuck in a little bit of traffic, but it's right in here behind the theater, and I am going to take you along with me for the ride, hopefully. Hopefully he won't mind a little bit of videotape and maybe some advertisement, and we'll take a look at the truck and see how it turned out. in for tonight. It's just me, so I borrowed the flatbed from my boss, and I'm just going to load her on the flatbed, haul her back to work with me in the morning. And, alright, looks like he's still there waiting on me. Thank heavens. Ooh, look, he's got her sitting right out front. Oh man, they even shined up the tire. Damn. I'm liking this. There we go. Alright guys, we are here. Alright guys, I'm going to try and get some video of this. I didn't take any in there while I was talking to him, but this thing is freaking sharp, guys. They did a hell of a job on it. But I'm going to try and get some video of it as I load her up here, get her up on the bed. But I mean, he went through and detailed, buffed, clay barred, diamond glossed it, even did the wheels and tires. I mean, just it looks bare. He's got the bed liner sprayed in it. I mean, there you go. You can see yourself in it. Whoop. I gotta find my damn keys here. Oh, looks like you got my towel a little bit, but that's no biggie. Throw that back up on the seat. Oh, kind of tore the top out of it. Shit. I think that's been in the works for a while now. No big deal. Alrighty. I'll tell you this much, the running boards are fucking slick. And it smells like shoe polish. Oh, I better turn that off. YouTube, get mad at me. And we're gonna pull up here, cut her over a little bit, and we're gonna back her right up, stick her right up on the flatbed. Just like, okay, now shifting into 4 low. All right, and all is good. Just ease her right on up and onto the bed. Turn a little bit, and we're back right up. Right on the bed. Just like, okay, now. Shift in 4 low. All right, all good. Ease right on good. All right, see how I guess that's close I'm getting. So, I'm gonna the park brake. We're back to the wheel. Fingers right now. I like to work. See what I go get in there. That's awesome. It's so wet, so I use this right. So like your Oh, that's it. That's pretty. You can see everything he shot down there. Man, that looks good. Gonna take it. Alright guys, so the light out here isn't the greatest, and I got the truck running so it's loud. There we go. But it's still up on the truck. Just came back from Ziebart last night. I got a little bit of video while we were up there. Figured I'd give you a look up underneath while I was up here on the truck. The undercoating. I mean, it's not the brightest out here yet, but the truck still smells like shoe polish. I don't know if the video is doing it any justice, but you can see how that, I mean, that thing is shining. Looks good. So, anyway. I don't know if you can see your own reflection in there or not, but you can darn sure see everything else. Alright guys, we're gonna get moving. Alright guys, so there isn't anybody out there that can't tell me that truck does not look just awesome this morning. That's that Ziebart diamond gloss on it now. You can see it there. There down. Sorry, gotta get in here. Anyway guys, now it's sitting out in the sun, you can see that thing looks just beautiful. Now, there are a couple spots where he missed cleaning some of the cleaning some of the stuff off of it. The only thing I saw under the truck that I might call him about is he didn't get a undercoating up above the rear fender wells, which I may call him about just because that's a really critical spot to keep from rusting. But otherwise, man, that diamond gloss looks awesome on that truck. We'll see how well it holds up. They guarantee it for a year. So, anywho, there's a shot of it. I will we'll get this posted here in the next day or so.